Good morning, dear students. Welcome back again with the new session of Maths 2 Coordinate Geometry Practice Set 5.2. Our next sum number 11. If coordinate of point A minus 14, minus 10B, 6, minus 2 is given, find the coordinates of the point which divides sec AB into 4 equal parts. Now, as per the question, we have drawn diagram. See here, AB is there and AB is divided into 4 equal parts with the help of the point C, D, E. C is the midpoint of AB, D is the midpoint of AC, E is the midpoint of CB. So this way we can find out, by using the midpoint formula, we can find out the coordinate of all the three. Let's see how. Now consider point C x3, y3, D x4, y4 and E x5, y5. Divide the sec AB into 4 equal parts. Now C is the midpoint. Consider C is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, the coordinate of C x3, y3 by midpoint formula x3 equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2, x1 minus 14, x2 plus 6 upon 2, minus 14 plus 6 upon 2 is minus 8 upon 2 is minus 4. Similarly, for y3 equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2, minus 10 plus minus 2 upon 2, minus 12 upon 2 is minus 6. Therefore, coordinate of point C is minus 4, minus 6. Here I can write here minus 4, minus 6. Now, D is the midpoint of AC. So therefore, again by using midpoint formula, we can write here x1 plus x3 upon 2, y1 plus y3 upon 2. So here minus 14 plus 4, minus 14 plus minus 4 upon 2, that is minus 18 upon 2 is minus 9. Similarly, minus 10 plus minus 6 upon 2, that is minus 16 upon 2 is minus 8, and therefore the coordinates of point D x4 y4 is nothing but minus 9 minus 8, minus 9 minus 8. Similarly, we can find out the coordinate of point E. We consider E is the midpoint of sec CB. So by using the midpoint formula, we can find out the value of E. Formula x5 equals to x3 plus x2 upon 2, and for y5, y3 plus y2 upon 2. Putting the values, we get minus 4 plus 6 upon 2 is 2 upon 2, which is equals to 1, and minus 8 upon 2 is equals to minus 4. So coordinate of point E is x5, y5 is nothing but 1, minus 4. Thus, we have got all the 3 points. These 3 points divide sec AB into 4 equal parts. Now we'll move to the next sum. Same way, little difference is there. Now here it was already in even equal parts, therefore we have used midpoint formula. But now here it is odd equal parts. Now here we will divide into 5 equal parts, which is odd number, and therefore what to do under such conditions. So under such conditions, let's see what to do. First we'll read the question. If A 20, 10, B 0, 20 are given, find the coordinates of the point which divides sec AB into 5 congruent parts. Here, as per the question, we have drawn the diagram here. A coordinate is 20, 10 and B coordinate is 0, 20. And since it is divided into 5 equal parts, we have given the name to these 5 parts. That 5 equal parts means 4 points you have to find out. Now here, first of all, what will I do? I'll take point C divide sec AB in the ratio 1:4. This is 1 and this one is 4. So 1 is to 4. So here m is to n will be 1 is to 4. So consider point C x3 y3 divides sec AB in the ratio m is to n equals to 1 is to 4. So by using section formula, x3 equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y3 equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So after putting the values, we'll get the answers. But afterwards what? But afterwards, now we'll get the value of C, we'll get the value of B, and now it is same as the previous sum, 4 equal parts. You can see here CB divides, or CB is divided into 4 equal parts. With the help of point EDF, we can use midpoint formula. So I have solved it, incomplete sum. One part of it I have solved it, remaining other two parts you have to solve it of your own. Let's see further. So x3 is 1 into 0 plus 4 into 20. 1 plus 4, that is 0 plus 80 upon 5. 80 upon 5 is 16. Similarly 31 into 20 plus 4 into 10 upon 1 plus 4, that is 20 plus 40 upon 5, 60 upon 5, that is nothing but 12. So here 1 is to 4 ratio, the coordinate is nothing but 16 comma 12. Now C divides, point D divides CB, or point D is the midpoint of CB. So we can use here midpoint formula. Here point D divides or be the midpoint of CB. So by using the midpoint formula, we can use x4 equals to x3 plus x2 upon 2, y4 equals to y3 plus y2 upon 2. After putting the values, we get here 8 comma 16. Similarly, we can find out the coordinates of point E and point F by using midpoint formula. I hope the sum is very much clear. Still, if you have doubt, you are free to ask. Here we have completed this lesson. Last exercise of this lesson is omitted in this year, this academic year. That is the formula of the slope, and sum based on the slope is omitted. So here we have completed the lesson of coordinate geometry. Remaining part of the lesson, or remaining lessons, we can start with the new video. Till then, have a great day.